Hello students, Nishad physics classes. Be with me to learn some topic and some problems likely to become in board examination class 10 2021. We have learned effect of length on the resistance and cross section area on the resistance. What happens when length is increased? What will be new resistance? What will be effect on the resistance? Because we know the relation that R is equal to rho L by A, where rho is resistivity, L is length, and A is the cross section area. Here, I am asking a question. Just see this here. This is a conductor. This is a conductor, and its cross section area is A, and length is L. And if we talk about the resistance, then R equal to rho L upon A. R is equal to rho L upon A. Suppose that here resistance is 10 ohm. R equal to 10 ohm. So we may write 10 is equal to rho L by A. What happens? What will be effect on the resistance? New resistance. New resistance. If length is length increased by 2 times. Length is increased by 2 times. Here, a common mistake done by the students. What students think? Suppose that here that R equal to R proportional to L. So, if length is double, then R also become R is 2L. R that here length is double, R becomes 2L. So in this way, resistance equal to 20 ohm. Dear students, it is a very big mistake. You never do like this. This is a mistake. Because we think that length is increased, but we never keep in our mind, that what happens with the length increase, then at the cost of what? There must be something decreases, and that cross section area decreases. So when length increases, then cross section area decreases. We have to keep in the mind very clearly. Then if length is here becomes increased, and that is 12, that is L dash, and that is 12. But we don't know about the new area A dash. We don't know new area A dash. So first we have to find out what will be new area A dash. What is the new area, cross section area A dash, if length becomes double? So you find one thing. Here this is wrong, so I am cutting it. Now here one thing is very clear. If you want to write a resistance here, so then for this we have to write down R dash is equal to rho L dash upon A dash. Okay. We are going to find out value of A dash. Students, one thing is very clear. You know these things. What is this? If here volume is V and here volume is V dash, we know that volume of a solid remain constant. हम change नहीं कर सकते. You have learned in the properties of the matter, solid, liquid and gases. You never compress a solid. Its volume remain constant. So by this law, V equal to V dash. V equal to V dash. We know that what is formula of the volume? Length and cross section area. For this side, for this, and for here, by changing by 12, L dash and A dash. Here L, here A equal to L dash is here. L dash we have taken 12 into A dash. L cancel, L cancel. A by 2 equal to A dash. What did we learn here? That when length increases by 2, the area decreases by A by 2. Length increases by double, that is a 2A, the area become A by 2. A common concept, it comes in the mind. कहाँ से आया हमें जानना चाहिए था. Generally in the book and generally many teachers do that. What they do, that length increases by 2, area decreases by A by 2. Length increases by 3L, area A by 3. But this is the reason from where does it come. Now it is clear before you. Now it is your choice. Go in detail or do in the short. Okay. Now here, so R dash equal to rho and 2L upon A by 2, and so R dash equal to rho L by A and into 4, this 2 into 4. From, suppose that this is equation 1. Suppose that this one. This is equation 1. Okay. From equation 1. From equation 1, R dash equal to rho L A, rho L upon A, 10 into 4. So R dash is equal to 40 ohm. Dear students, here 40 ohm. So this is the thing, the way to do this thing. But in brief, if you want to do for the competitive examinations in multiple choice question, then you can do like this. How? That just here I am writing a concept for the competitive examination for multiple choice, but in numericals you are going to solve 2 and 3 marks. You do like this. Number 1, if length becomes n times, then new resistance n square r. This is the number of times. Just you can use here that for double, if suppose that here r dash here, this is the double, so 2 square, r is 10. So in this way you can get r dash equal to 40 ohm. Now second, area, I mean cross section area becomes n times. Then you know that definitely resistance will decrease. So in this case resistance decreases by r upon n square. Third, radius or diameter of cross section area becomes n times. Then I am writing it. Then new resistance R dash equal to R upon n to the power 4. Here. So now we have 3 formula. R dash in the case of length, in the case of cross section area, in the case of cross section, in the case of radius over diameter of cross section area. But here a question comes, what's about the resistivity? What's about the resistivity? no change in resistivity. No change in resistivity. It doesn't depend on length L and cross section area A. Area A of the conductor. The student, it is very clear that no change in resistivity because it doesn't depend on length L and cross section area A of the conductor. So just this question for today. In the next meeting and next lecture, I will try to do some different questions. So just be with me and share, like and subscribe so I can produce and I can give a good video, an informative video and good video for the board exam 2021. Thank you very much.